Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I'm going to give you my review of the Instant Pot 9-in-1 multi-use programmable pressure cooker. It's the Duo Plus model. I'm going to do an unboxing so you can see exactly how this will arrive from Amazon to you, and I'll go through some of the features. There are a zillion, so let's get right into it. The actual box itself comes with a nice carrying handle. This has advanced microprocessor technology, so it can cook up to 70% faster than normal. And it's so easy with its one-touch controls. Super smart, remembers the way you cook, and it's healthy. Not only is this a pressure cooker, it's a rice cooker, it's a steamer, it'll sterilize stuff, it'll saute, it's a yogurt maker, it's a warmer. It's even got a free app you can get with over 1,900 recipes. So many ways to cook with this. And it's definitely got some weight to it. And it's going to take a fair amount of space up on your counter, so great if you have the cupboard space to store it when you're not using it. The bowl where your food will go is separate, so nice and easy to wash. And when you get it, it comes with the cord. Little kind of spatula thingy. Good for dishing out rice. A measuring cup, a condensation collector, all kinds of warning labels to make sure you're operating this safely. And it also includes a steam rack. The pot itself includes some handy markings right there. It comes with this reference guide, see which buttons to press, a really nice little recipe book, and the user manual in full color. Of course, when you're using it, you'll just put the pot right inside, and then the lid just locks on with a twist. And the front panel almost looks like a microwave. It's got so many buttons you can press to make the chef's job super easy, cooking rice, porridge, soup broth, meat stew, bean chili, cake, egg, you name it, at the touch of a button. If this video was helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing. I do all kinds of reviews right here on this channel. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.